Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 180 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the new NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. So I recently picked this up from Ulta in one of my recent Ulta hauls. It retails for only $3.99 and it comes in 57 different shades. Like they have every shade that you could want. I wanted to get a red shade because I'm on the search for a good red lip liner to go with all of my red lippies. And they had a few different reds to choose from. It's hard to pick out a color online, so I'm hoping that this is a good shade. I chose the shade Spicy. This lip liner is like the partner to the Suede Matte Lipstick that I already tried out on my channel, so I'll link that video down below if you want to see it. And I also want to mention that NYX is a cruelty-free brand. So let's see how this writes. Oh yeah, so this is definitely a great red shade. If I press down very gently, it's a lighter shade of red, but if I go harder and build it up, it can get a darker shade, so that's good. It can really go with any red lipstick that I have. And I mean, it does look matte, but I'm not seeing any sort of like suede effect or any sort of difference in texture than a regular lip liner. I know that the Suede Matte Lipstick really does have an amazing matte but soft, really like suede texture to it. So we'll see how this is once I apply it to my lips. All right, so my lips are lined and it does write very nicely. It goes on pigmented and smooth. No issues so far. I've been really looking for a red lip liner because I have a lot of red lippies that I love, but they do tend to kind of feather and bleed. And when you're wearing a red lip, it draws so much attention to the mouth. So you really want it to look perfect and precise. So I really wanted to find a red lip liner that would work for giving me that perfect outline and preventing any bleeding and feathering. And this is definitely giving a very smooth outline. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my entire lip so then we can really see how this lip liner looks. Okay, now that my lips are completely filled in, I can see that this is such a beautiful red shade. It really is a true fire truck red. And it feels so light on my lips, but it does feel kind of drying. My lips are very dry and you can definitely see some dry texture. What I was really interested to see is if there is a difference in this suede matte formula versus regular lip liners, and I'm really not seeing any difference. It just seems like a typical matte lip pencil. Has really nice pigment, but as far as like suede texture, I'm not getting any difference. But then it's like the lipstick, the Suede Matte Lipstick really did have an innovative, different feel to it. And I think that they were trying to do something different from a regular lip liner by making it this suede matte finish, but it's to me not different enough from other lip liners that I've tried. But it does look really nice. I want to do a transfer test. Very nice, no transfer. I love that I can get such a bold red lip that's so bright and so vibrant and so pigmented with no transfer. So I would definitely wear this lip liner as a full lip, but I would also use this with my other red lipstick, like my matte red lipstick, my liquid red lipsticks, because I really love a red lip. And I feel much more confident wearing a red lip when I can use a liner like this one to get that perfect, precise shape. So I think that for my goal of finding a good red lip liner, this NYX Spicy Suede Matte Lip Liner does the job, and it's very affordable, only $3.99. I guess my only complaint is that it doesn't live up to its claims of being super different than any other lip liner. But that's okay with me. I still really like how it looks, how light it feels, and how long wearing it is. I'd love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on these Suede Matte lip liners, or if you have any other recommendations for good red lip liners, because I'm still on my search. I'm definitely going to hold on to this one and continue to wear it, but I'm open to trying some other ones too. If you're interested in trying out the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, I will link it down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.